for joining today. We're really excited to share with you that we've got a new feature available now on School Jotter, and that is where you can connect your social media feeds, whether that be Facebook or Instagram, through to your School Jotter website. Lucy is our graphic designer, and she's going to be telling us a little bit about why this feature is going to be so great for your school.
So we've been asked a lot about our social media integrations from schools, and we've had a new feature developed by our developers, and this now allows you to integrate your social media feeds, so Facebook and Instagram, onto your Jotter 3 website. And we completely understand schools are going more and more down the social media route of kind of pushing information out to parents. So this will now allow you to connect your Instagram on the Jotter 3 CMS and your Facebook and have it in a nice display of a carousel showing your recent posts. So Claire's just going to show you how it looks.
So it's really, really easy. It's going to look a little bit like this. So let's go into the edit mode of the CMS. And let's choose, first of all, you're going to have a little button like this that's going to say linked accounts on it, and we're going to press on it. At the moment, we've got a Facebook integration, and it's linked to our School Jotter feed. Now, you can either just take that feed off to add a new one, or in our case, we're happy with this one. But if you wanted to add a new feed, you just go to add your Facebook account, you put in your details, and it will automatically connect you, and you'll be added here. Now, when we go back onto the crayons, we're going to pick out onto the dashboard. I just created a new page for the purpose of this video calling Social Media Demo Site, and we're going to click into it with the crayon button. And on here, let's just delete it so we can start again. I'm going to use the plus icon, and I'm going to choose the Facebook icon there. It's going to give me the option to add a header if I want to, but I'm going to leave that blank today. It's also going to show me some different ways that I can present the information. I can either have the Facebook feed in a grid or a carousel. And a carousel is quite nice because the parents can click onto the front arrow or the back arrow, and the stories will move. You can also choose how many items per row you want. Aesthetically kind of speaking, we like to deal with even numbers. Is that right, Lucy? Do we like to deal with even numbers?
Yeah, it depends what kind of style website people have got. So if you've kind of got a 2-column website, obviously go for just kind of the row of 2. But if you've got kind of 3 in a row, make it uniform to how your website's already kind of designed.
Okay, great. So let's just go with 4, again, just to show you how it's going to look. What's also really clever is we've got different options now. So if you don't want your comments to be shown, or you might not have any comments because you might have disabled those on your Facebook feeds, you don't have to show these things. It gives you the option, so you're completely in control of that, and then you can save them. So we've gone for a carousel with a 4-row, and that's exactly what we have. So actually, I'm going to preview that just to make sure that it's looking neat and tidy on my homepage. And as you can see, you've got the forward arrow there that you can go, but you can see it looks very, very neat and tidy. It's a really fantastic way of bringing up making the website really relevant and fresh with fresh content. Again, it's just going to be a focal point for parents to be able to go and see the updates in school. And the beauty of that for you guys is that you're only updating your Facebook, and it's coming straight directly through onto the website. So it's a feature that we're really proud of, and we would advise, if you do have a Facebook, to try and add it onto that homepage. Thank you for your time today. If you can, give you a call back in the school if you need any help with setting that up. But other than that, I hope you found today useful. Thank you.